Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Your logo is the chief symbol of your brand and all that it stands for. Making sure that logo looks good on high-quality merchandise is Triple Crown Products. Based in Waterford, Wisconsin, just outside of Milwaukee, Triple Crown Products is the nation's source for corporate apparel and gifts. With over 10,000 products to choose from, they offer custom branded apparel, safety apparel and gear, promotional items, and much more. As a family-run company, the Triple Crown team keeps a close eye on production to ensure customer satisfaction with every order. It starts in the in-house art department. There are plenty of design tools out there to create logos, but there's no replacing Triple Crown's professional design. New orders as small as $99 include a free logo creation or update, a service which normally costs hundreds of dollars. Logos are screen printed using both automatic and manual presses, including high-vis reflective logos. For an even sharper look, the company embroiders hats, shirts, jackets, and a variety of gear. What really sets Triple Crown apart from the competition is their sales team, who offer personal service. Along with that service is a 100% satisfaction guarantee on all products. In fact, they're so confident in their 5-star service and selection that if customers find a lower price elsewhere, they'll match it, plus 10% of the difference. Custom logos, quality brands, unbeatable prices. You'll find them at triplecrownproducts.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.